Fleet maintenance is a team sport, with multiple stakeholders sharing responsibility to effectively keep assets on the road. Oftentimes, fleet managers are burdened with connecting the dots between drivers, technicians, vendors, admins, and countless data points, leading to potential miscommunication, inefficiency, and downtime. At Fleetio, we empower fleet teams to automate essential maintenance workflows, respond swiftly to critical issues, and collaborate in one shared workspace, regardless of physical location. By surfacing maintenance activities like PM reminders, inspections, and issues in real time, fleet teams stop wasting time trying to find the right information and can spend their time taking action to get assets back into motion. Fleetio actively pushes relevant information to exactly who needs to know, keeping everyone aligned on key priorities. Whether you handle maintenance in-house or outsource to third-party shops, Fleetio's intuitive notifications and other collaborative features make data visible and actionable, so there's never a disconnect with internal teams or external vendors, and you always have a readily accessible audit trail. Fleetio isn't just a storage system, it's where fleet maintenance happens. And when everything happens in one place, the most insightful data about your fleet is only one click away. From compliance and maintenance spend to total cost of ownership and more. Whether you're working from home, on-site, in the shop, or in the field, Fleetio is the central hub for all maintenance-related conversations and actions. Cut through the noise and start achieving your ideal maintenance workflow. Start your free trial today